Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on traffic layer on Google Maps. To do this, it's very easy. You have just to go to Google Maps, open the app, and after that, go to that circle on the top right of the screen, click on it. And after that, you can choose, for example, default, and click on the map details, click on traffic. And as you can see the traffic now. Where are the crowded places, etc. You can see it everywhere in the maps. So like that, you can understand more the traffic and understand more the roads that you can use to go or to arrive to your destination. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.